Drew Morris here with Modern West in the popular Denver neighborhood of Ruby Hill. Our new listing at 2855 West Colorado Avenue is a true gem of a home and one that you will definitely want to check out. The sellers have transformed this home over the years and it is simply gorgeous. We're talking a fully remodeled interior to include windows, paint, kitchens and bathrooms, a finished basement, and replacing key elements of the home. The roof, electrical panel, and cooling system are all new. Outside, you'll find one of the largest lots available in this price point. New trees, shrubs, garden beds, and a comfortable patio area. The outdoor space is so big, the opportunities are endless. Living in the Ruby Hill neighborhood will give you plenty of ways to maximize your Colorado lifestyle. Take a stroll or a ride on the South Platte River Trail or Sanderson Gulch down the street. Ruby Hill Park, just a few minutes away, features a community garden, a mountain biking park, snowboard terrain park, the biggest sledding hill in the city, and a running path. But one of the coolest features to me is the free concert series hosted at Levitt Pavilion. Get out there all summer long and enjoy live music with friends and family and neighbors. If you'd like to learn more about this home, see all of the photos and the 3D walkthrough tour, or schedule a private tour, check out the home's website, rubyhill.ishomenow.com, or reach out to us today. We look forward to hearing from you. Again, this is Drew Morris with the Modern West Group. We look forward to hearing from you.